radio alert system. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tone switch will... This is a test of the NOAA radio alerts. This test is normally conducted weekly around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is imminent or occurring, the test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KXI70 listening area in Illinois, Jersey, California. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the WXK82 listening area in Missouri, Lewis, South, Lincoln, St. Charles, Warren, and the city of St. Louis. In Illinois, Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume